each other. When I go home to the Eastern Cape, if I drove from here to the Eastern Cape, and I turn off there by Humansdorp, I turn. Natalie doesn't know who I am anymore. I start speaking faster, I throw in sounds, because I don't want my vinnige Afrikaans, I don't want my people to think I've gotten Joburg. Natalie goes, why are you speaking like that? I start speaking fast. I say, wat bedoel jy? Mag gewoon, give me a tissue. You make it lekker. I'm from the farm. But now Natalie is from Atlantis. And from Atlantis, she moved from Atlantis. Then she moved to Heideveld. And from Heideveld, she moved to Vanguard Estate. She says it's 2 different places. Does that worry pot, man? But I don't argue. Don't fight about the small stuff. That's Vanguard Estate, Heideveld. Then from there, she moved to Melbourne for 5 years, and she moved back to South Africa, to Joburg, and that's where we now met. So now, you can imagine, we must went to Paris. Yeah, we made a video. Natalie cried in the video. I cried afterwards. The rand is not strong. Ma'am, the rand is not strong. Before you go over there, Hermanus is mooi die tyd van die jaar. The rand is not strong. We went, and you should have seen my accent. Went overseas. Yeah, I was still drinking Rick coffee. Oh no. When I went through international OR, I was like, babe, do you want a latte? Hey, van gat, jong. We flew in. It was beautiful. Flew into Paris. Put my bag. It was still daylight, so we put our bags down. Immediately, Eiffel Tower too. Oh, Natalie was excited. Then she watched Emily in Paris. And she had a list of things that Emily now did. Now, I don't know this show, but I can voel in my water. It's a regie. Oh, people. Natalie goes, now we finished. It's now 6:30, 7 o'clock. So now we must eat something. But now is the first time I'm spending rands in Europe. Randelas is going up against the euro. So now I go like, we must find something to eat. So Natalie goes, you know what, babe? Emily ate there. I tell her, I say, yo, Emily ate near the Eiffel Tower. You can see it's expensive there, man. You can fool. Your wallet raakt dan nou warm. So I tell her, you know what, we must explore. What I'm really saying is like, kom ons fok haar af as a kebab shop 2 for 1 special there. Because I can feel with every step I take away from the Eiffel Tower, the rand is getting stronger. Yo, but I could see in her eyes, she was a little disappointed. Because we just arrived. Now I'm eating her with a budget. You know what I mean? So I go, man, you know what? How bad can it be? Bad. So we go and we sit down at this restaurant. We sit, we order, and you now know, we order, they must now say, you mustn't convert, you must convert, you must convert, jy gaan jou kind se skoolgeld verloor, you must convert, please convert. It's ugly out there. Natalie orders, but you know how a wife is. A wife knows the budget. It's not a girlfriend. A girlfriend you try to impress. You lieg vir haar. If you're ordering a Uber Black, bring a BMW, because you're trying to be impressive. But a wife, sy weet mos wat gaan aan. If you can rent a bakkie, you say, spring op, hou jou hare vas, ons gooi. She must know what's happening. So Natalie looked at the menu and she ordered a burger, chips, and a Pepsi Max. I'll never forget it. It was Pepsi Max. There was no Coke. And because, you know, you remember trauma. So I'm thinking, ek weet mos, ek ken my vrou. That must be the cheapest thing on the menu. There's net klein nommertjies there and a candlelight you don't really see. So I go, make it 2. We eat the burger. It's all right. Burger, chips. Eiffel Tower's doing its thing there. Yo. Beautiful, romantic. Now the bill comes. Now it's time for the bill. They don't bring you a bill. They bring you the machine preloaded. They don't charge tips there. Hulle weet hulle charge die moerkla uit jou uit, you know? Sorry for my French. They bring that thing, but they say, I put it down in front of me. The only thing it says there, do you want this in euros or in ZAR? So I go, Mzansi. Yeah, ma, press that button, you know, I think, I look in Natalie's eyes, I see her falling from Paris, through Vanguard Estate, past Heideveld, tot binne in Atlantis, en sy sê, hulle dan fuck! I sê, jy gesê man, Emily's a moerok! 1,500 rand! 2 hamburgers, chips, en a Pepsi Max. I told her, hier ons het 'n Jack Purcell opgeëet! Purcell, pa! It was bad. Now outside, Natalie's so angry now. Nee, nou moet ons 'n Pick n Pay kry. I say, there's no Pick n Pay here! Hey. Eventually, we found like a supermarket down the road, man. I walked in there, I'm panicking because ons het nou net 3 dae se budget opgeëet. I'm nervous, so I go to the first person that works there, the first teller. I go, you guys have Pro Neutral? Wheat Bix off. Maltabella, I just want to throw water. Wil 'n vloer gooi, man. Hey. People go, that bra goes, yeah, what do you mean? Ek sê, jy moet vullige ding. Natalie brings 4 apples, lekker groot apples, she brings them. Now you must now weigh it yourself. It's €2.50 times 23 is R50 per appel. I told Natalie, mama, hier is nie van strong weggooi nie. Sluk hom, sister. Herkou soos 'n bok. Stok en al, jy eet. I took that apple to the hotel next night. I cut that apple up fine, man. Fine pieces. I tell her, yeah, it's not about just eating apple willy-nilly. Yeah, it's like the comrades. You only eat a small slice of apple when your legs start shaking. You eat the apple, you keep it moving. Every day I take all the sugar from the hotel. They must replenish. Ek drink suikerwater for energy. It was a nice trip though. It was a nice trip. Nogal goed gewig verloor. Weight loss trippie, you know.